Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be diving deeper into the world of bodyweight training for strength and mobility. We'll explore how you can use your own body weight to build strength and improve mobility, and how to modify exercises to meet your skill level. So let's get started and learn more about this exciting form of exercise. What is bodyweight training? Bodyweight training is a form of exercise that uses the resistance of your own body weight to build strength, increase mobility, and improve overall fitness. It's a fantastic way to work out at home or on the go, as you don't need any special equipment or gym membership to get started. Bodyweight training has numerous benefits, including increased muscle strength, endurance, and flexibility. It's a great way to develop functional strength, which is the ability to perform everyday tasks with ease. Bodyweight training can also help improve your posture and reduce the risk of injury. How to use your own body weight for strength training. Now that we know the benefits of bodyweight training, let's dive into some of the most effective bodyweight exercises that you can use to build strength. Push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise for building upper body strength, particularly in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. There are many variations of push-ups you can try, such as diamond push-ups, incline push-ups, and decline push-ups. These different variations target different muscle groups and can help add variety to your workout routine. Squats. Squats are an excellent lower body exercise that target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. They also work your core and improve your balance. You can make squats more challenging by adding weights, such as dumbbells or a barbell, or by trying single leg squats. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are an advanced exercise that target your back, biceps, and forearms. If you can't do a full pull-up yet, you can start with assisted pull-ups using a resistance band or machine. Other variations of pull-ups include chin-ups, which target your biceps, and wide grip pull-ups, which work your back muscles differently. Plank. Planks are a great core exercise that work your abs, back, and shoulder muscles. They also help improve your posture and stability. There are many variations of planks, such as side planks and forearm planks, that you can try to challenge yourself further. How to modify exercises to meet your skill level. If you're new to bodyweight training or not quite strong enough to do the full exercise, don't worry. Here are some modifications you can try to meet your skill level. Knee push-ups. Knee push-ups are an excellent modification for those who can't do a full push-up yet. Start on your hands and knees with your hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your chest towards the ground while keeping your core engaged and your back straight. Wall squats. If regular squats are too challenging, try wall squats. Stand with your back against a wall, then slide down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Hold this position for 30-60 seconds before standing back up. Inverted rows. Inverted rows are an excellent modification for those who can't do a full pull-up yet. Set up a bar or sturdy table at waist height. Lie underneath the bar and grab onto it with an overhand grip. Pull yourself up towards the bar until your chest touches it, then lower back down. Knee planks. Knee planks are a great modification for those who find full planks too challenging. Start on your hands and knees with your hands shoulder-width apart. Walk your hands forward until your body is in a straight line from your head to your knees. Hold this position for 30-60 seconds before resting. Bodyweight training is an excellent way to build strength and improve mobility, and it's accessible to everyone, regardless of their fitness level. By using your own body weight, you can challenge yourself and achieve incredible results. Remember to start with exercises that match your skill level and progress gradually as you become stronger. With consistent effort, you'll see improvements in your strength, mobility, and overall fitness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks.